In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a task in Timeline View in ClickUp. To get started, open ClickUp and navigate to the space folder or list where you want this task to live. This part matters because the task will be created inside the location you choose, so make sure you're in the right area before moving forward. Once you're there, look at the top of the screen and click the Timeline tab to open Timeline View. Inside Timeline View, go to the upper right corner and click Backlog. This will open the Tasks panel on the right side of the screen. In that panel, look under the Unscheduled section. These are tasks that already exist but don't currently have dates assigned to them. If you want to place one of those existing tasks onto your schedule, this is where you'll find it. Now, find the task you want to add to the timeline, then click and drag it from the right side Tasks panel onto the timeline itself. As you move it into place, you'll be able to choose where it fits in your schedule visually. Drop the task on the date when you want it to begin. This is a quick and intuitive way to assign timing to a task without opening the full task details. After the task appears on the timeline, you can fine-tune its duration by clicking and dragging the edges of the taskbar. This allows you to adjust the start and end dates directly from the timeline, which is especially helpful if you're planning work across multiple days or simply want a better visual layout. If you want to create a completely new task instead of scheduling an existing unscheduled one, go to the upper right corner and click Add Task. Then enter the task name along with any other necessary task information. Keep the details clear and specific so it's easy to understand what needs to be done later. Once the new task has been created, set its dates, or place the new task onto the timeline so it appears in the appropriate schedule. This ensures it shows up in the right time frame and aligns with the rest of your planned work. That's all it takes to create a task in Timeline View in ClickUp. Whether you're scheduling an existing task from the backlog or creating a brand new one, Timeline View makes it easy to organize work visually and manage dates with just a few clicks. Thanks for watching.